In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat and make calls through Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for connecting with your colleagues, classmates, or friends, enabling seamless communication through calls and messaging. Let's dive into how you can get started with these functionalities to enhance your collaboration experience. First, you'll want to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't already done so, open your browser and navigate to the Teams website. You'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will lead you to a prompt where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have these details handy, as accurate information is key to accessing your account seamlessly. This step establishes your gateway into the app's abundant features, so take a moment to ensure everything is entered correctly. Now that you're signed in, it's time to reach out to a contact. Using the search bar located at the top of your Microsoft Teams interface, you'll want to type in the name of the person you wish to communicate with. As you begin typing, Teams will automatically start suggesting contacts from your organization or personal contact list that match what you're entering. This intuitive feature not only saves you time, but also streamlines the process of finding exactly who you need to talk to. Once you've located your desired contact among the suggested matches, go ahead and click on their name. This action will open up a chat window where you can immediately begin typing and sending messages. It's intuitive and quick, allowing for instant communication. Whether it's sharing a quick update or starting a detailed conversation, this is where the interaction happens. Feel free to express yourself with text, emojis, GIFs, or even file attachments if needed. In addition to text chats, Microsoft Teams also offers robust calling options. When you're in a chat window with a contact, you'll notice call icons at the top of the interface. These icons represent both video and audio call options. Simply click the appropriate icon depending on your preference, a video call for face-to-face interaction or an audio call for voice-only conversation. Remember, ensuring you have a stable internet connection and functional audio-visual devices will enhance the quality of your call, making for a smooth communication experience. Now you're all set on the basics of initiating chats and making calls in Microsoft Teams. This powerful tool opens up a realm of communication possibilities, and now, equipped with this knowledge, you can make the most out of Microsoft Teams messaging and calling features to stay connected more efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and happy chatting and calling.